Hello, this is Navneet Kishore from Mukherjee Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Information Technology. Our project is online crime monitoring system under the guidance of Ms. T. Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, GRIT, Hyderabad. Our team consists of P. Samant, R. Navneet Kishore, myself, P. Upendra and S. Jagdish Kumar. So the basic idea of our project is, in the proposed systems, all police stations are integrated or connected using internet, and complaints are filed across one station are known by the others. For example, if a person files a complaint about robbery in one station, it is also accessible by other station. So the criminals are lodged across the other station limits too. It is easy to find them. It is easy to track criminals if they are lodged across other station limits. This system allows the civilians to file the complaints to different police stations based on the incident. The limits of the police stations can be varied by different PS IDs. The tracking of cases and the criminals will be highly efficient. The public may file their complaints by online and can receive an acknowledgement. So let's quickly jump to the home page of our website. It's got 4 tabs. The home consists of a slideshow with different information regarding to police, Hyderabad City Police, and the activities consists of 4 sub-tabs, which are events, rallies, camps, and social welfare. You can see if there are any upcoming events, and you can know about police station info, services, officers, and rules and regulations, and you can contact the admin here. So I'll show you the basic civilian registration first. So we click here for registration, and it is actually loading, so we'll wait up. Yes, so and then we'll take a civilian name. Let the civilian name be Dinesh. Address is Secunderabad. Date of birth is 6 July 1992. Contact number something 72071611613, and username Dinesh, and password do it as Kumar or something, and then just select your area on map. So the PSID related to Secunderabad is 1013, and we register. It takes a little bit of time to register, and it says civilian registration is successful. And then we go to the login page, and we log in. It's called Dinesh. Password is Kumar, and select civilian here because you're a civilian. And yes, you can. This is the welcome page. You can see welcome, and you can set complaints, view action taken if you already have any complaints set, and you can see the case info or complaint to higher authority. So we'll set a complaint saying robbery, location is Miapur, and complaint date is today's date, incident time, let's give it as 7:20 AM, suspecting none, and PSID is Miapur, and submit. And it's submitted. So now we log out and log in as an officer, the other end. So there's an officer in Miapur called Ranjit, and we log in as him, and then he'll view complaints, and then he gets a complaint with a complaint ID 13, description robbery, location Miapur, date is today's date and 7:20 AM, and suspecting none. So he'll just set an action taken, set action on the complaint ID 13 in order to keep the civilian informed about his case. Just say under investigation, and click submit. Now we log out, and then when the civilian logs in, and then when the civilian logs in, he'll get to know about the updated info. I'll show you. And then view action taken and submit. He'll get a message saying under investigation, which was actually updated by the officer on the other end. And so this is how it works. View case info, complaint ID 12, and he gets the case info. Investigation details, arrest details, charge sheet details are not yet updated because they're in quasi criminal yet. And you can complain to authority saying the case is moving slow. The higher authority here is the admin, because he has all the rights regarding the website. And then we log in, admin, and then we log in. Yes, and then admin has so many rights that he can alter police stations, view police stations, add officers, alter officers, delete officers, and then view PS complaints. Miapur is 1004. So, and then he can view the complaints which were registered there. And then view civilian complaints. The civilian actually complained the case is moving slow, which was actually done by the civilian like a few minutes ago, and the response will be given by the admin, the higher authority. We will look into it. And then submit, and that's how it works. And then yes, so you can even view the case info and view efficiency to see how many cases are pending, responded or closed, and etc., which gets updated automatically. And so we log out, and that's how our basic website works. Thank you.